Hello everyone, here I am unboxing Mivi DuoPods F50 wireless earphones with 50 hours playtime. It claims to have seamless Bluetooth connectivity, HD stereo sound, lossless audio, one touch play, pause and answer calls. It has a fast charging case and it has a Type C port. Now the brand Mivi gives 1 year warranty only for manufacturing defects and not for any physical damages. Now here in the box we get few cards like a welcome card, a user manual and 1 year warranty card. You have to register first to get the warranty. They have given a WhatsApp number there. Now you can get detailed instruction about how the earpods work in the user manual, like the earpods have some multifunction button, like you can play or pause any music. You can even increase the volume on or decrease the volume just by long pressing them. You can answer to any call, you can end any call just by tapping the multifunction buttons. You can even activate Siri on Google Assistant. You have to pair the device and you have to touch that multifunction button thrice to activate the voice assistant. You can also answer a third party call just by tapping the multifunction buttons twice to toggle between the current call and the third party call. To turn them on, you have to remove the duopods from the charging capsule, and to turn them off, you have to place them back in the charging capsule. After removing them from the charging capsule, the LED will blink and you have to search for Mivi DuoPods in the Bluetooth discovery on your phone, and it's easily available and you have to tap connect. Once the DuoPods have paired to your phone, you will hear a sound like paired. Now the charging time is an hour and the battery life is almost 50 hours. It has a Type C charging port. They claim it to be water resistant, comfortable and lightweight. I have chosen the color blue. You can get 3 or 4 more colors. The mic is at the bottom of the earpods. That's all. Thank you.